Hey guys, Tony here. So just some quick news. Elon Musk has actually revisited Bitcoin as a payment method for his Teslas. So I do think that's going to heavily hurt Doggy, to be completely honest. Originally the plan, well, not the plan, but everybody assumed that because Elon Musk was actually not accepting Bitcoin anymore, that he was actually going to start working with the developers from DogeCoin or from Doggy to actually implement everything that he needed to make Doggy basically the new payment plan for Bitcoin, or at least the accepted cryptocurrency of Tesla. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. I mean, he actually tweeted today, or I think it was announced today, that him and Tesla are actually going to be going back into accepting Bitcoin for his Teslas. And I think that kind of tells you his priorities and where he stands as far as, not himself, I'm sure he still likes Doggy, but as far as what his companies are looking to accept, because I highly doubt now that DogeCoin is going to be looked at from Elon Musk to actually be accepted for a Tesla. So I do think Bitcoin is going to be the main currency to be accepted by them. That's why you guys don't see this. That's why you guys don't see a bigger run up on DogeCoin. That's why it's basically at the same spot. And Bitcoin ran from like 32K all the way back to almost 40,000. I think it's like at 38.7, almost 39,000. I do think that kind of killed sentiment for Doggy, and it killed not the theory, but at least future movement for Doggy, because Elon Musk, as of right now, it seems like Elon Musk no longer supports Doggy, because people were looking forward to actually have Doggy be worked on by Elon Musk and eventually be the accepted cryptocurrency for Tesla. And it doesn't look like it's going to happen, because he just went back to accept Bitcoin. So if anything, it's going to be Bitcoin and Doggy that are accepted. I still don't think Doggy is going to be accepted by Tesla or another company and stuff. I don't think any major company is going to be accepting Doggy. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum and possibly other crypto. I do think Link would be a pretty good project for retail. But like I said, that's why you guys don't see a big move up on DogeCoin. And I think I'm even more bearish on DogeCoin now than I was before. So I'll see you guys later.